Okay, so this is a COCO Park. So this is a shopping mall. We're gonna walk around and take a look at it. We just came out of the station, which is called, I think it's called Shopping Park. So we're gonna walk around with the camera. We're gonna kind of show you restaurants out and try to get a feel for COCO Park. So here we are in Shenzhen. Let's take a look. Well, if you want to come with me, you're gonna have to jump in this hand right here, camera. Hey, you want to come with me? Just take the camera. We'll show you what we can see. So we basically just came out of the COCO Park. It's a I think it's my understanding it's one of the largest shopping malls in the Futian of Shenzhen. And there's supposed to be quite a few nightlife here, restaurants here, kind of everything. I think it's one of the key ones. And there's definitely a lot of good restaurants. We're gonna walk through and see what we can see. And I don't know what to expect, so we're just gonna take it as it comes. But this one, COCO Park, I know there's a lot of nightlife. People talk about it quite a bit, so I don't know what to expect. I don't know if there's different stories, but basically we came out of something called Shopping Park Station, which is in Futian, which I'm probably mispronouncing as well. Green tea restaurant. Let's see, there's so many choices here. Huh, that's funny. These pineapple buns are really, that's real popular in Macau. Satay beef noodles in clay pot, that looks kind of good. Huh, that looks kind of Macau-ish too. New York since 1920. Huh. New York. Okay. Huh. Well, New York does have a big Cantonese population, so I guess that could have been a New York thing. Let's see what else we got. So COCO Park Phase 2, Sky Plaza. Let's kind of walk. Let's walk this way. Da Fudong. That looks pretty good too. Actually, all this stuff looks good. Okay. Let me see. I think I'm gonna walk out the door. I want to try to get a better sense of it. And I think outside I can see there's a Shake Shack. There's Genki Sushi. Genki Sushi is, Genki means like cool. It's like Genki desu ka? Let me see. I think I want to go outside, but let me just kind of take a look real quick this direction. We've got a big waiting list for Genki Sushi as well. So there's more stuff over that way. In this particular video, I'm exploring for the first time that I've been in COCO Park. So usually when I do this, I'll get criticized for not going to somewhere that somebody knows really well. But I'm not trying to, I'm not a tour guide. I'm just going to show you what I see. Genki Sushi. There's Dairy Queen up there. I think that's one of the tallest buildings. I think I read that this area has a very tall building. That's probably that one right there. I guess there's a few. Definitely got a lot of security though. Yeah, actually there's so much security that I don't know what to think about that. There's some Western ones. There's Shake Shack and Burger King. Oh, there's Taco Bell. I heard that Taco Bell was here. Pop Mart, they got that everywhere in Macau. I think what we're gonna do. Oh, okay. That's kind of cool. I'm gonna turn the camera off, and I'm just gonna try to get situated. I think I'm gonna go up a little bit, look for somewhere, and then we'll film some more. Okay, you can get a better sense of it from up here. It's pretty cool. And then we're gonna walk over this way. I'm gonna go, I might even do a separate video for it. Okay, I heard about this. No, I was thinking about Taco Bell. Americans love Taco Bell. I'm American, so I might do a separate video where I film that one. But I heard that there's a lot of bars in here too. There's actually a tonic bar, draft beer. So I guess that's true. This would be another one of those areas that I wouldn't mind seeing in the evening though, just to see how much it's different. Anyways, there's a lot to explore. Huh. Yeah, this would be kind of interesting then at nighttime. If there actually are a bunch, I'll look for them later, we'll see. I'll probably do several different videos. Oh, there's a Neapolitan pizzeria. Huh. Pelicana. I'll have to explore on my own and kind of see, get a feel for it more. But that's an introduction to COCO Park, and probably end up doing a little bit more of it later. But we're still kind of filming along in COCO Park, Shenzhen. And yeah, I'm gonna do a separate video with this Taco Bell. It looks too cool. We'll walk towards it and we'll just kind of see what's on the side of it as well. And then we'll create Taco Bell one. Pretty cool. Excuse me. Oh, it looks like this goes out into the street, so I think I'm gonna come back and do a Taco Bell video. But I also just want to go out into the street, just kind of go look up and down it, just so you can see it, especially for people that are like me, that kind of want to get some context to what it is. It looks like just an isolated spot, but I don't know. But we'll see in a minute. Huh. There's some nice apartments around here. Okay. Okay. That looks nice. Huh. We got all these apartments right there as well. And then you got these tall buildings down that way as well. So that's kind of the COCO Park. So it looks pretty cool. And that's the name of it right there. COCO Park. Well, if you want to come with me, you're gonna have to jump in this hand right here, camera.